How important do you think your arteries are? They are a network of channels through which the blood is transported alongside other important nutrients. Just like veins, they transport blood, but while veins carry blood from all parts of the body to the heart, arteries carry blood rich in oxygen away from the heart to other parts of the body. This is what makes them very important, and they must not be clogged. They can be clogged with different eating habits, so to prevent this clogging, these herbs are recommended to help clean the arteries. Please note that the purpose of this video is purely educational. It does not serve as a substitute for seeing a professional or adhering to the clear instructions given by a doctor. Just before we get into the business of the day, you should subscribe to the channel today, and also consider clicking on the bell-like icon to get posts as soon as they are dropped. Let's get into it. Top 10 herbs to clean your arteries that can prevent a heart attack. Astragulus. Number 10 on this list is the astragulus, popularly used in Chinese herbal medicine practice. The heart is strengthened and protected with astragulus. Astragulus contains saponins that assist preventing blood vessels from constricting and fatty plaques from accumulating in the heart's arteries, which can obstruct blood flow. Arrhythmias, creatinine, phosphokinase levels, and cardiac function may all be helped by Astragulus membranaceus. Astragulus prevents salt and water retention, alleviates chest discomfort and breathlessness brought on by a weak heart, and has a propensity to prevent clots. Additionally, astragulus may lower high cholesterol and control blood pressure. Astragulus has been traditionally used for strengthening the immune system and helping prevent bacterial and viral infections. It also helps increase and protect the number of white blood cells in the blood needed for a healthy immune response. The usual daily dosage should not vary from 2 to 30 grams of the dried root. Capsules that are marketed usually contain 150 to 500 milligrams and are taken as often as 8 times as needed in a day. Ginger. Ginger reduces harmful cholesterol because it is a potent antioxidant. Numerous studies suggest that ginger, which is used in natural therapies for nausea and migraines, may also lower levels of fatty cholesterol in the body. According to a different study, ginger may help delay or stop the buildup of plaque in the arteries. Increasing the amount of ginger in your diet is simple. There are various methods to ingest ginger, one of which is adding like 10 grams or 1 teaspoon or more of ginger root per day into your tea. Others are cooking it into food, occasionally eating it raw, and also taking it as a powder in capsules. Ginger overdose might have negative side effects. People on blood pressure medications shouldn't eat too much ginger because it can help reduce blood pressure. Ginger can cause heartburn and bloat in higher doses, such as in capsules. Psyllium. Psyllium is an herb mostly made up of a type of soluble fiber that lowers cholesterol. It is a great laxative and is derived from the seeds of the herb Plantago ovata. It is native to Asia, the Mediterranean regions, and North Africa. According to a variety of studies, psyllium can effectively clear clogged arteries and lower blood triglyceride and cholesterol levels. By encouraging bile acid elimination from the body, one can reduce the total cholesterol content of the body. Significantly raising HDL cholesterol is its effect. Psyllium is a reliable method for clearing clogged arteries naturally. So, how can one use it to its fullest potential? You can take 20 to 40 grams of psyllium each day. For maximum effect, it should be taken after half an hour of your meal. After 30 to 40 days of daily use, good effects will be noticed. Guggul. Gum resin, or guggul, is a term used to describe several plants that are indigenous to Pakistan, Bangladesh, and India. In Ayurvedic medicine, a comprehensive, plant-based medicinal system, guggul has been used for generations to treat a variety of medical ailments, including obesity, arthritis, and inflammation. Steroids, essential oils, lignans, flavonoids, sugars, and amino acids are only some of the plant chemicals found in guggul, which may explain its range of therapeutic effects. It is said to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant qualities and was used in traditional medicine to ward off many illnesses. Guggul supplements can be purchased online or at some health food and supplement stores in a variety of forms, including capsules, extracts, powders, and lotions. It can be discovered online or in some places that sell supplements and health foods. The dosage guidelines differ greatly between brands and products. Oral supplement dosages typically range from 6.25 to 132 milligrams. The quality of active guggulsterone, a plant steroid, present in the guggul extract or supplement is often the basis for dosage recommendations. Hawthorn. Hawthorn, Crataegus monogyna, a thorny, blooming tree or shrub that is native to temperate regions of Europe, North America, and northern Asia, is a member of the rose family. Hawthorn has a pharmacologic action that is assumed to be caused by an abundance of phytonutrients, antioxidants, termed oligomeric proanthocyanidins, and flavonoids that are present in the plant's leaves, flowers, and berries. Scientists believe that hawthorn improves the heart by generating a dilatation of the smooth muscle that lines the coronary arteries, so improving blood flow to the heart, according to a paper from Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center. Hawthorn is also believed to raise heart rate, nerve transmission, heart muscle irritation, and heart muscle contraction. A tincture, which is a concentrated liquid herbal extract, and an infusion, which is essentially a tea, can all be made from using fresh hawthorn. Use 2 teaspoons of crushed fruit or leaves per cup of boiling water to make an infusion, and let it steep for 20 minutes before consuming up to 2 cups each day. Horny goatweed. Horny goatweed is a plant used in traditional Chinese medicine. As its nickname, Natural Viagra, implies, some people use horny goatweed to improve sexual function and arousal. Horny goatweed may protect the heart because it has been proven to lower oxidative stress and blood cholesterol levels. Granules of horny goatweed were administered to 120 elderly patients with heart disease and kidney issues in one trial, and they had symptom relief and better heart health. They performed better than the placebo-like substance used as a control. Additionally, ichorine increased cardiac function and lessened heart damage in rats who had heart attacks in animal trials. It might function by boosting the survival of heart cells in challenging, low-oxygen conditions. In diabetic rat heart mitochondria, it also lessened oxidative damage. Due to the high energy requirements of the heart, the mitochondria are crucial, and damage to them is the hallmark of diabetes, heart, and blood vessel illnesses. However, more research is needed to tell on the adverse effect it might have on the body, as the evidence for its benefits is not sufficient. Garlic. Garlic has a poor reputation even when it is as fresh as possible. Although most individuals dislike the flavor of garlic in their mouths, their bodies enjoy it. Garlic has elements that may reduce blood pressure levels in people. How does this help? According to studies, a major contributing factor to cardiovascular impairments is excessive blood pressure. At the same time, garlic aids in lowering cholesterol levels in the body, hence lowering the risk of cardiovascular ailments. Garlic, however, would only be effective for this purpose if it were taken consistently for at least 6 months. Bilberry. The dark blue-skinned berry known as the bilberry is indigenous to Europe. It goes by the names whortleberry, huckleberry, and blaeberry frequently. Vitamin K, which is included in bilberries, can aid in preventing blood clots that might result in a heart attack or stroke. Bilberries' anthocyanins may also lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Your risk for atherosclerosis and other heart-related issues can be decreased by controlling your blood pressure and cholesterol levels. There are several methods to incorporate bilberries into your diet, such as preparing bilberry tea, jams, and jellies, and baking a bilberry pie, among many others. Basil. Basil is a very potent and effective natural antibiotic with antioxidant qualities and is known in some parts of the world as the king of herbs. Since ancient times, basil has been utilized for medicinal purposes because of its high phytonutrient content. There are more than 60 species of basil, which are grouped into 3 main groups: sweet, shrub, and purple. Basil often thrives in warm tropical areas. Both indoor and outdoor cultivation of basil is possible. It is advised to chop the heads as soon as they emerge and consume them fresh to ensure maximum effectiveness. Basil's presence of vitamin K, a compound that has been shown to control blood pressure, reduce bad cholesterol, and eradicate the resultant blood clots. Aside from that, the high levels of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant, protect the blood vessels from damage caused by free radicals. As you can see, since basil protects against atherosclerosis, heart attacks, and strokes, there is no excuse not to think about including it in your regular diet. 2 spoons are suggested to be consumed daily. Arjuna. The herb Arjuna, also known as Terminalia Arjuna, has long been used in Ayurvedic medicine to treat cardiac disease. It originates from the bark of an Indian shrub. Arjuna aids in lowering blood pressure, enhancing circulation, and clearing clogged arteries. One 500 mg capsule can be taken twice daily or as directed by the product you are using. No side effects or problematic drug interactions have been linked to the use of Arjuna. However, you should see your doctor before using Arjuna if you have liver or kidney issues, are pregnant, or are nursing. Arjuna is also taken as a natural hypolipidemic and blood thinner. If a patient already has cardiac blockage, the blood gets thick and is unable to move through the arteries because of the high cholesterol concentration. In this case, the patient is given blood thinners to let the blood flow more easily. An excellent natural blood thinner is Arjuna. All these herbs can be added to our daily feeding, some as recipes for cooking and some as tea and supplements. Some of them have other important health benefits, like ginger, which is a good headache reliever, some say better than pills. So, the next time you feel a headache coming on, ginger might just be what you need to set your brain free from pain. Which of these herbs would you consider taking? Which ones do you think are good for unclogging arteries that we missed? Tell us in the comment section. Also, head on to our previous video on foods that naturally unclog arteries and prevent a heart attack for wholesome knowledge. Don't forget to comment and share with friends. Also, consider hitting the like button if you enjoyed this video. Till next time.